Money supersized, G5 super fly should be supervised.
So we have some leftover peaches, and before they go bad, we are gonna blend them up and add them to today's lemonade. Peach lemonade. Make it, you're gonna love it. So let's quickly get into it because the kids are home and will be for the rest of the year. And there's just no time. If you listen closely, you'll hear Peppa Pig. And AJ's playing Fortnite. And then we have to cook dinner. So I have to do this before the peaches keep going bad. And I've had them for 3 days and lost 3 and I'm left with 2. Welcome to Carter's Eat. Come on in. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. Comment, commit, and stick. That means make an executive decision. It'll be the best decision you've ever made. Stick by this channel. Turn it down! And subscribe. Peel off whatever peach survives. Add it to a bowl. Cut them gingerly, politely, softly, sweetly. Peel. I may have to do a voiceover because I will get astray. Now, again, I started with 5. I'm down to 2. I really wanted a rich, peachy taste. I said, Lord have mercy. I made all these videos this weekend, but this one. Because during the week, I can't. I just can't pull it off. Between getting them fed, finding an activity, educating the poor things. Let's give them a little bit of a fighting chance in America. I just don't want to do any videos on a weekday. But here we are. So no activity today. Way too hot. Way too hot. So if you got some leftover peaches that can survive, turn that down, my love. Please. Thank you. Drop. It's still loud, honey. A little lower. Get that fuzz off. Can't trust it. Can't trust it. It's getting louder. It's getting louder. I think just because I said turn it down. And I'm not going to yell again. I'm not. Make sure your lemons have been rolled. And since I only had 2 peaches that survived, I'm only going to do 3 lemons, okay? I'm going to add hot water to my 3 cups. 3 cups of hot water added to your ice cubes. We're going to let that sit and let all that magic happen in the bottom. In the description box below, you can order yours down there below. puree those bad boys. There's your souffle peaches. Whew. Look, whew. I'm gonna add it right to my water. Sugar bits. Remember, I anticipated 5 peaches. So for me to be down. So when I saw the peach, I'm talking peaches looking delicious and wonderful. I said, we got to. Yes, Blake. Okay. And look like we're about to lose the lemons, y'all. Oh my goodness. See how the juice is over? I kept 3 out. Then we're gonna drop right in. Second lemon. Get myself up for real. Again, that one wasn't rolled enough. Oh, Jesus. Stir again. Look at that color. Again, I hope everybody enjoyed Peppa Pig today. We are going to now sample our peach lemonade. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Thank you for making the best decision you've ever made on YouTube, which is to subscribe to Carter's Eats and our family vlogs, cook with me, eat with me, and challenge videos. And check out Miss Carter, where we do the natural hair care journey, singing song sensation, and TV reviews. Okay, you guys, let's pray. Fantastic. One more peach and we would have been in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. But 2 got us on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. It ain't bad, y'all. It's good. Peachy, lemony, and that 1 cup of sugar keeps it neutral, not too sweet. That's what I'm excited about. But more peachy. And then the lemon comes up on you. Come on over, Blake. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the 3:30 episode of Peppa Pig. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure you go through our playlist and see the watermelon lemonade. Blake, you want to say bye with me? Come here real quick. Come.
I got my baby knife.
Say bye-bye. Come on, right here. Say thank you for coming.
Thanks for coming.
2.
Carter's Eats.
Wave.
Bye. I'm gonna cut this out.
She's about to cut the eggplant, y'all. I got to go. I got to go.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.